What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market and see what the market did today and where the market is heading going into tomorrow. And now let's get right into it with Dow, which is up 0.25%, Nasdaq down 1%, and S&P also down 0.24%. And if you look at these groups, we got a risk-off move here in the market today. On top, utilities, healthcare, energy, consumer defensive. On bottom, consumer cyclical, technology, industrials, and basic materials. And here on stock market map, we have Tesla down 3.5%, Amazon down 2.5%, Google down slightly in the green 0.38%, Meta down 1.71%, Nvidia down 2.5%, AMD also down 3.5%, Microsoft down close to 1%, and Apple down over 1%. And look at this, healthcare, utilities rallying today, massive move to the upside. And now we're going to talk about SPY S&P 500 ETF. So basically a flat day here on SPY, not really going anywhere after coming down to 405.88, now trading close to 408, not really getting that breakout above 408, and now it's sitting under 408 where this blue line 5 SMA is sitting. So that is going to be a key level going into tomorrow. But also, guys, we got low volume in last couple of trading session, so that is not looking healthy, even though we saw a massive move to the upside. Also, I mean, look at all these gaps down here, 404.35, 401.60, and not to mention one down here at 396.49. so these gaps, at some point we're going to see these gaps getting closed, and I think soon as SPY breaks 407, we could see that here on SPY all the way down to 404, and then next stop will be down here at 401.60. We also will have strong support at 400, and that is going to be somewhat of a dip buy here on SPY if you're looking to get in. As of right now, I do not care if SPY moves higher from here. I'm not buying this dip at 408 because there is not much upside. And also, if you look at this MACD, I mean, it's not there yet, but I think it's going to roll over in the next couple of days. And if that happens, we're going to see SPY coming down to not only 400, 396.49. That is also possible to close this gap all the way down here. So going into tomorrow, as a support, watch 407 and resistance around 408 because we have blue line 5 SMA moved up, now sitting at 408. So that needs to break. And if that breaks, we're going to see 411 to 412 on SPY. Below 407, SPY can drop all the way down to 404.35 to close this gap down here, and then watch out for 401.60 to close this gap down here. And now we're going to look at triple Q. On triple Q, finally we're seeing a pullback, and if you look at my screen, we might be retesting that breakout right here, right around 314. Yes, it came down to 314 today, but now it's trading at 315. So going into tomorrow, guys, this is gonna be critical right here on triple Q to hold 313 to 314 as a support, this breakout. If that gives up, we could be coming all the way down to 308 to 307 down here to close this gap on triple Q. To the upside, now triple Q will find resistance at 318.35, and above that, watch out for a move back up to 322 to even 326. And if we talk about quick turnaround in the market, I mean, look at this insane move here on DIA. Undercutting 318 support, but still ended up holding it. And now look at this, within what, 2 weeks, it's up at 335, trading above all the moving averages here on this daily chart. And that is insane, guys. And now it's holding 334, 333 as a support, blue line 5 SMA. And if that holds, we could see a move all the way up to 340 on DIA. Below 333, blue line 5 SMA, then watch out for 330, 328.95 to close this gap down here, and we will find strong support down here at 326 and then 324. And now we're going to look at IWM Russell 2000 ETF. So on IWM, this was indeed a dead cat bounce, and now we got rejected, and now it's coming right back down. It's down close to 1% today, and look at this, the gap on bottom still open at 172.11, and that could be getting filled tomorrow. And then we have support at 170, where we held so many times before. 170 gives up, there is gonna be more downside on IWM. To the upside, IWM needs to break 174.42, and above that, watch out for 176.21, blue line 5 SMA, 178 to even 180 to close this gap all the way up here on top. Now on IWM, guys, definitely this is nothing but a falling knife with low volume. So watch 170. If that gives up, this thing can go down and possibly will make a new 52-week low. And now we're going to look at VIX. On VIX, it's up 0.37% on the day, but there is absolutely nothing because once again got rejected at $20 and now trading at 19, barely holding above 5 SMA on this daily chart, which is sitting at $18.87. So that is going to be a key level to watch tomorrow, $18.87. Below that, VIX could be dropping back down to $18. To the upside, it needs to break 20. And if that breaks, we can hold that as a support on VIX. 20 as a support. Then watch out for a move $22 to even $23, and that will bring market down. At least we will see some of those gaps on SPY getting closed, and that could be coming once we get that breakout here on VIX above 20. And that's all I have for you guys tonight.